how to change Google Voice typing language on the Samsung Galaxy A15 or A16. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on keyboard list and default. Then tap on the Google Voice typing on the left panel. In here, we go down to the voice typing language and tap on languages. From the list of languages, you can choose a language that you want to add. So here we scroll down and scroll through and then select the language that you want to add, then tap on saved. Okay, after that, tap on the back key. And that's it. So that is how you can change your Google Voice typing language. So you can select more than one language as well. And then tap on saved. See, it's another language, then tap on save. So from the list, you can then choose the primary language for Google Voice typing. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.